Okay, we're looking at number 11 of Chapter 8, Test C, and it says a bag contains 5 red marbles and 3 yellow marbles, and I drew them down here. What is the probability of drawing a red marble, replacing it, then drawing a red marble again out of the bag? So this ask yourself, is this a dependent event or an independent event? An dependent event would mean I take the marble and I take a marble and I don't put it back, and then I draw another marble. And every time I draw a marble, the probability changes because there are fewer marbles. Independent events is when I take a marble and then I put it back. And then I try again and take a marble, maybe this time a red one, and then I put it back. We use the example of cards. We tried to see if someone could pick a certain card. The dependent example is when I went around with the cards, everyone took a card and kept the card, and then I went to the next person. So every time I went to another person, the probability of picking the card we were looking for changed. On independent events, they picked the card, then they put the card back. Someone else took a card to pick a certain card. I think it was the ace of spades. Then they put it back. And the probability did not change for the second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth event. So let's do the math here. So we have 5 red marbles, 3 yellow. What's the chance of picking a red marble? So let's see here. Find the total number of marbles is 8. So I have 8 marbles, and 5 are red. Okay, and so I got to do it once, and then my odds of doing it a second time, 5 and 8. So 5 and 8. But what are the odds of doing this 2 times in a row? So to do that, I have a 5 and 8 chance on the first time, a 5 and 8 chance on the second time. What are the chances I'll do a red each time? I have to multiply these probabilities together. All right, so let's like to simplify before I multiply. I can't do it. So 5 times 5 is 25. And 8 times 8 is 64. Multiply the top by the top, bottom by the bottom. So I have 25 and 64. 25 out of 64 chances. So ask us, can I simplify? And I look here. 8. Can't divide the 25 and 64. If I divide to get 5, I'd have to divide 25 by 5 to get 5. 64 isn't divisible by 5. So my answer is 25 to 64 chances here for my dependent events.